Are you ready to quit your 9 to 5 job? What you're seeing on the screen right now is just one income stream of my 5 income stream sales funnel, which you can copy absolutely free and you can have it set up within 1 hour. What's going on, guys? Dylan DeFazio here with Six Figure Marketers Club. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through my entire 5 income stream copy and paste buyer lead system. I launched it the other day, and within 1 day, we've already had 3 new members sign up. So I want to welcome all of you guys to the team. If you guys want to get started and set up your 100% free buyer lead system, all you need to do is hit the link in the description below. You can sign up, you'll enter your email in, and you'll get started with the system. So let's jump over to my screen and I'll walk you through how that's going to look. So what's going to happen on this page is I'm going to, in the first video, walk you through how to set up Systemi, right? You're going to create your free account. You're going to be able to download this sales funnel, and you're going to get my free 7-day email follow-up so that you can get more sales by following up with people automatically. And the best thing is you don't need 6 or 7 tools to get this done because Systemi has everything included. Blog builder, website builder, landing page, sales funnels, email marketing, everything that you need to run an online business, Systemi has it ready and super cheap. So what you're looking at right now is the fact that I'm on the $27 per month plan. And the only reason for that is because I have multiple sales funnels. But the cool thing with Systemi and the way that I've set this system up is I've set this system up so that you can set it up using their free account. All right, I've made it very simple. There's only 2 pages. There's only 1 funnel. So it makes it very, very easy for you to actually go ahead and set this up on a super low budget. Now, there is some tools in this system which can help you speed up your process, get leads quicker, right? But if you just want to do organic and you just want to make videos or something like that and you want to promote online, we can do that as well. What I'm going to show you right now is my 2 purchase traffic sources. Now, what I mean by this is, one, my lead gen secret, the one that you've seen at the start of this video, where I've made almost $12,000 US from this system. Well, the cool thing about this system is it actually has a mailing system. So if you see right here, I have 10,000 or almost 100,000 leads. Okay, so 100,000 leads that I get to mail to every single day, one time a day. Okay, so what I do with this is every time I launch a new funnel, I send my traffic from here over to my new sales funnel, and then those leads go from cold leads into buyer leads. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to do this. And the best thing is if I go and review a product and you've already set up the endless buyer lead system, you're going to get that sales funnel to promote whatever review product that I just did. You're going to get that as well. So every time I review a product, you can copy that sales funnel, copy my emails, and actually start to promote that from the list that we're building through this system. Now, this might be a little bit confusing. It might be a lot of information for somebody that's maybe never made money online, but what I want to let you know is I'm here to help, and my goal here is to make the easiest copy paste sales funnel system. Okay, I don't want it to just be one. I don't want it to just be, certain offers. I want to find a product, review that product related to online marketing, and then give it to you guys, right? So that we can build a community and we can actually make everybody wealthy, right? Because what's going to happen is when I review that product, you're going to need to go purchase that product. And then when you purchase that product, you're going to get sent a link. And that link is going to be how to copy my review sales funnel. You're going to get my video. You're going to be able to use all of my training, all of everything, right? 100% free. All you need to do is go through this the link in the description below and set up the endless buyer lead system, because that's going to show you how to use Systemi. And now, on that note, if there's anything that you guys are having trouble with as you guys are setting up these funnels, please let me know in the comments below and I'll answer those comments with another video. So if you're having trouble, editing the funnel or doing whatever, I will go through, make a video, and help you guys get set up. Okay, so one thing that I want to show you before I end this video is this is so easy. Okay, if you want to go and film videos like me, or if you want to take the videos that I've made, maybe make some edits, clip them, do whatever you need to do so that you don't get flagged. But if you're a part of my team and you want to use, say this video, right? And you want to make a YouTube channel and you want to use that video to promote this system, I will let you do that, right? Because if I can make a video that helped you sign up and then you can take that video and put it on your channel, it's going to help us grow, which is going to allow me to do more, and you're going to be able to make commissions using my videos and my systems, taking a lot of the stress off you. Maybe you have a job, maybe you have kids, you don't really have too much time, right? That's why with this system, if you see here, right, 17 minutes, okay, 6 minutes, 2 minutes, 6 minutes and 30 seconds, and 4 minutes and 50 seconds. So within the next 30 to 45 minutes, if you click the link in the description below, you should be able to have a complete 5 income stream system ready to go. I'll walk you through how to get traffic. I'll walk you through everything that you need. All you need to do is take action by clicking the link below, enter in your name and email, and just go watch the videos. If it's not for you, that's fine. But for somebody that's been marketing online for several years, there's a lot of fake people. There's a lot of, hey, I'm going to make you rich overnight, right? This isn't one of them, okay? This is a system that I've wanted to make for a very long time. And just recently, I lost my job. So now I have to go all in, okay? So my goal while doing that is what I'm learning and what I'm doing, giving that to you guys so that you guys can create financial freedom and live the life that you deserve. So if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching the Six Figure Marketers Club. Go check out the Endless Buyer Lead System. And if you want to see more videos from me, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications. I'm putting out videos as quickly as I can, but if you guys let me know in the comments below, it will give me more ideas of what you guys are looking for, and then I can make content that will help you guys. Because for someone that's been marketing for a long time, things that seem very simple for me are not simple for people that are just getting started. So I need your help to help make me make more videos for you guys. All right? So if you want to check out some more videos, I'll leave one up in the top here. If you want to subscribe to the channel, you can do so over there. And thank you for stopping by. Dylan here with Six Figure Marketers Club, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.